Hi, it's EV-Texans. We are at an Electrify America that is at an Ikea off of North Dallas Parkway and Sam Brayborn. We are checking to see what the status is. They do have, the machines in the ground.
Six of them.
Looks good and everything, but we're missing the transformer. Is that what you said?
Yeah, it's missing a transformer. There's 6 BTC units and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I want to say 8 or so ABB units for their in-store EV fleet. So, and those are, I'm guessing, around 50 kilowatts, 100 kilowatts, I'm not sure. I'll turn around and show the camera here. And there's the Scarlet Knight. Oh yes, and I have made a modification right there. Glow-in-the-dark valve stem caps that are red. Tell me if you think they're legal in Texas.
I don't know. I wonder when we drive down the road if it's going to circle, but...
All right, you see right there? Those are the ABB units for the in-store charging.
Well, they're leaked.
So you can see it goes from there all the way down. They are missing the transformer here. Sorry, sun's in my eyes. So as you can see, there's 3 units. There's one right after the other. So 6 total, but you can only see 3 really.
And it looks like they could make it a drive-through site if they don't put.
Yeah, it is possible. It could be. She's right. Let's go here.
Pull through.
We're at Ikea in Frisco, Texas. And if you look, they could very well be pull-through sites. I think you're right. They very well could be.
Yeah, they don't have,
this could be
in there.
One of the first that I'm aware of.
They won't restripe,
Right. I think this is one of the first in DFW, or at least Ikea, because the other one in, I want to say Grand Prairie, is all the way by the property border, like where you see the ABB units back there. So this could very well be a pull-through site. I'll have to check the permits.
Yeah.
But I'll go walk down and show them the. And there's the Dallas North tollway. And as you can see, it is missing the transformer. And it has the cabinets there, 3 of them, and the switch gear there. So, and this is the Ikea. Looks like they're also doing some work on the roof and inside and whatnot. So, this is by Frisco and Plano border, over off of 121 and Dallas North, Sam Rayburn, if you will, for the 121 side.
So as I'm looking at the striping here, where the parking spot is, that is very narrow for this very
You're going to
first
redo
one.
it, I think.
So it's probably, and if you look how far apart those 2 units are, they're probably going to do a line in the middle.
Yeah, they'll probably somehow.
They're going to have to restripe.
Yeah, they'll grind down whatever the paint here and then, redo it.
It may be pull through.
I think it's a good possibility. We could be looking at a pull-through site.
Because where that first one is, if you're in that parking spot, that's very narrow. And
I'm not sure how many EAs have pull-through sites.
Yeah.
let alone pull through
Well,
in
maybe
North
like
Texas here.
you know, they listen to people and say, hey, you know, we'd like a pull through site. They
Well, and the
decided-
reason they probably have it here is because of the pull through, but I still think the charging should be in the main part, because then I think it relegates us to second tier status over here. You know, put it on the side. Now I know you can come back and say, well, there's less chance for icing, and I get that,
Yeah.
and that's a valid point. You know, but I just find it, you know, more useful if it's, you know, in the main part of the parking lot. But, you know, that's me. And not everybody is me. You know. So I think this site has some potential. It's right by the intersection of 121 Sam Rayburn / Dallas North Tollway and Parkway. So you can probably hear all the traffic, but maybe not. I'll have to see.
Okay. Well, it's time to go shopping. Go take a walk around.
I'm sorry,
Ikea.
honey. You have to say that in Swedish.
I can't. I don't know Swedish.
Hedge, right there.
Hey, that's hello.
All right. See. Oh, don't forget. You have to like, comment, and subscribe down here, you know, at the bottom of your screen to our channel, and tell us what you think. Tell us where you like us to check out next, you know, in the North
Let
Texas
us know
area.
if we're doing anything wrong. Yeah.
You know? Also email us, EV-Texans at yahoo.com. You know, let us know if you think we should check out some sites somewhere around North Texas. Let us know. Like, I'm wondering if we should go to the Casey's in Waco and check out the Iona build down there when it opens. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little far from here, about an hour and a half, maybe, give or take. You know? But maybe we make a nice little, you know, trip down there or something. Stay for a weekend or whatever.
Yeah.
Maybe we can see Chip and Joanna Gaines.
Yeah.
You know, they are in that area.
We have gone to their, you know, their little thing. Was it Mongolia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and don't forget to check out Landon at the Arkansas E-Traveler, the Network Architecture channel, Out of Spec Bits, Out of Spec Reviews, etc. You know, all those channels. And Buy Tesla 237, and Luke and Rachel from Spinner EV. All right. See you guys later.